Welcome to SHOT Show 2026. Let's dive in.
This is a folding shoulder stock for pistols.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Fits in a cap tourniquet pouch. Snaps on anything with the Glock Picatinny Weaver style rail. Folds on and extends. And there you go.
That's awesome. So like a snap bracelet or some of the antennas that we use on radios.
We get that a lot, yeah. Snap
That's awesome.
So 100 yards is easy. 200 yards is possible. You start running into the limitations of the pistol cartridge at that point.
Oh, it's much stouter than like an antenna or something.
Easily.
And then this is going to be compatible with anything with a rail.
Anything with a Picatinny Glock style rail.
Where's it made?
Some of those proprietary stuff is not going to work with.
Where's it made?
Colorado.
Colorado, awesome. Hey, thanks for taking the time to show it to us. How's the show been going? I know it's early.
So far, so good. How about you?
Right on. Same thing.
Excellent.
Appreciate it.
From SHOT Show 2026. For the Daily Gun Show, I'm your host. We'll see you tomorrow.